Hello, beautiful soul. I'm glad that you are here. Yes, the mic is on. You're finally ready to hear this. And this is why this message is appearing in front of you. You clicked on this message or this message just appeared on your For You page. It's like so sunny here. So sunny, it's not even funny, seriously. Sunny funny. What if I could give you something that could be the master key? You know, what is a master key? A master key that can open all doors all at once. Only one key is required. What if I can give you something that can fulfill all of your desires? That can literally solve all your problems. That is the answer to literally all your questions. What if you can have the master key right now? I'm going to give you the master key. And I feel like since the last few weeks, you have been realizing slowly, you have been learning all by yourself. You know, you have a clue what I'm going to say. And just like you have been asking for this, it's like every time you want something, you go through so much, you go through an ego death, you go through lessons, like life lessons, etc. And then you finally get this thing or get this person, whatever it is, and every time you become satisfied, you become happy, and then after some time you want something else, and then it's another loop. And you have been thinking about this, and you have been thinking that, okay, how can I have everything? Sorry, this nose pin is giving me a little bit of trouble. Sorry. You have been wondering what can be the answer to literally every question. I'm not sure, can you see me clearly? Hopefully you can. Okay, cannot do this. I have to wear a sunglasses. Okay, hopefully you can see me. Because this message is really, really important. But are you ready though? Are you ready for a master key? Are you ready? Take a deep breath with me wherever you are, whoever you are with. Take a deep breath with me, okay? Take a deep breath and then let it all go. Release through your mouth. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I think you're ready. You're finally ready. You're in the right place. You are in the right time, in the right phase of your life to actually know this. You have been finding zeal for life. You know, you have been finding meaning in your life. You found the excitement in everyday life. Life doesn't feel like mundane or routine anymore. And especially in the next few weeks, you're going to find more and more like little things that would make you more and more excited and pleased, more and more satisfied about your life. And it's not like in the next few weeks something giant is going to happen, but it's like it's a more internal thing. And honestly, internal shifts are better. Internal shifts are more magical than external shifts. It's like, oh, somebody gave you a gift. Okay, fine. But when you shift internally, you do attract a lot of things. You attract a lot of blessings. Plus, like, you start loving yourself. You know, that's like the biggest blessing of all. When you are finally comfortable with yourself, when you make a mistake and you're not like, oh, why did you do that? No, you don't punish yourself anymore. You don't berate yourself anymore. And you're like finally easy with yourself. That's the biggest gift of all. The master key is finding excitement in everyday life, finding the happiness, finding the joy, finding satisfaction in everyday little things, right? And you're like so happy in your life and you're so satisfied that when big things happen, and big things has to happen, it's like blessings are magnetized towards you. Blessings want to come into your life. People want to come into your life. You know how people say that love finds you when you're not looking for it, and like you stumble upon the biggest opportunities of your life when you're not looking for it. It just happens by chance, by accident. It looks like it happens by chance or by accident, but it's not an accident at all. It's your frequency, it's your magnetism that you're doing. And it's not like you have to do something or you have to learn how to do 10 pull-ups or 100 push-ups, or it's not an exercise, okay? It's a mental thing. And that's what I'm giving you here. And this message is appearing in front of you for a reason. It is appearing in front of you because you're ready to hear this, okay? You will never find my video when you're not ready. It's just only the right people would see it, okay? Because I'm really, really putting powerful intentions in my videos that only the right people find it in the right time. Doesn't matter how you find it, doesn't matter how you find it literally, but you will find it only in the right time and only if you're the right person for it. Okay, so trust this message or don't if you don't want to. But it is true, this is true. Okay, you're finding the zeal of life and you feel like, oh, this is a tiny thing, this is just something that you do to make yourself happy, just like little movies that you're watching, or you're eating ice cream in the middle of the day and you're finally ordering your favorite food, or you're hanging out with your friend and you just randomly had a good day, and just, little lucky things happening, some stranger just being nice to you, and you feel like, oh, that's a coincidence. No, it's not. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. Trust me, it's going to get bigger and bigger. Because when you become a magnet for blessings, you are becoming a magnet for blessings, literally. And you have already experienced little things here and there, and it's going to get better and better. The better it gets, the better it gets, right? Because you have finally found this zeal for life, you have finally found this excitement for life. And sure, sometimes you have your low moments. It's not about always being excited, sometimes you don't look forward to things, something happens and suddenly you just sit down and your whole body feels so loose and your mind just runs off somewhere, and you're completely like shutting down and not in the present moment at all. Those moments still happen, and that's okay. You don't have to be on, like, 100% switched on all the time. That's not healthy anyways, and that's not expected of you. If my eyes look a bit like puffy or whatever, I just took a nap. I took a nap, and yeah, I don't know, when I take a nap something like magical happens. I get into a meditative state or something. I've come up with so many beautiful messages after a nap. It's funny. And it's like uh you're finding little things happening in your life funny as well. Like, you laugh to yourself, you laugh while looking in the mirror, you're like, oh wow, like, you're becoming more and more childlike. But I don't mean immature, you're becoming more and more childlike in the way that you find wonder in little things. You're finding you find boring things interesting now, and it's just like things that used to affect you before don't affect you anymore. And you finally understand that whether a person is in your life or not, it doesn't affect your excitement for life. Your life is still yours. Your life is your private property, literally. No one has the right to come into your life without your permission or go out of your life without your permission. It's not. And you're like, oh, but some people just leave. No, they don't leave your mind. They will only leave your life, as in leave your mind, with your permission. Only you can do that. And even if someone is right there in close to you and you don't like them, you can still like let them out of your mind. And that's how you just like, oh, my life is my property, my mind is my property, so I'm not going to think about this person. I got choked up. I think there is a specific person here that is like giving you a lot of emotions, feelings. Okay, but you're like getting better at it. You're getting better at holding your emotions, letting go of your emotions. You're just getting so better at it. I'm so proud of you. Seriously, not just saying that. I'm really proud of you because I'm tapping into your energy and I'm hearing things that you have heard from these people. I'm feeling feelings that you have felt from these people. And oh my, that was heavy. That was so heavy. I mean, no wonder you were overwhelmed. No wonder you felt so much. And no wonder you started questioning yourself. The situation was like that. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You are okay. You're fine. You're just fine. You will be even better from now on. And it's just like I'm saying, you're becoming a magnet for blessings. So right people are getting attracted to you just like that, like strangers even. You just randomly find the perfect spot, the perfect food. You randomly hang out with the perfect person and you feel like, where was this person until now? You know what I mean? And it's like both platonic and romantic, I'm feeling. And it's just like so it's it's not like detached energy. It's more like I'm so satisfied with my life that I don't care anymore type of energy. And sure, there are some high moments, there are some low moments, but most of the time you will be feeling these type of feelings. You'll be feeling emotions like this. It's like, I'm really satisfied with my life. I'll just go on a walk. I guess. I'll just listen to my favorite song. I'll watch my favorite movie. I'll work hard, but I'll also take rest. And that's another thing that I'm hearing, rest. Rest is really important right now. So make sure that you're taking 8 hours of sleep at least. Or if you cannot sleep perfectly at night, take naps in between the day. But make sure that you are resting. And whoever told you that you have to work hard to get things in life was lying, because you don't have to. Okay, the richest people on earth, the most like happiest people on earth, they are not working hard. They are not. They just know that they deserve the best and they rest. Okay? I'm also hearing rest like it's making you money. Literally. That's the best way to put it. It's like, what if I could give you money for what if I could give you money for taking a 1 hour nap? You would take a 1 hour nap. You'd be like, yeah, yeah, sure. Like, sure. Right? Right, so that's the mindset that you will be naturally be adopting as well. And I am also giving you this guidance, like not me, your guides are giving you this guidance, like rest like it's making you money, rest like it's making you money. And trust me, this next phase of your life is demanding that you will be so on all the time. Like you will be traveling, you will be meeting so many people, and I feel like when you meet so many new people, you kind of feel like, oh, I just need rest. So you'll be meeting a lot of new people, you'll be eating a lot of new food, you'll be traveling for sure. I'm also seeing you'll be taking a lot of pictures, and in this group pictures I'm also seeing, what, in these group pictures there are some people that you have not met yet. That's exciting, actually. That's exciting. And I know you're wary of groups, especially if like friend groups get your trust issues go up. But like these people are really nice. You can trust them. Seriously, you can trust them. And the more you hang out with these people, the more you would understand that, oh wow, like these people are genuine. These people are really nice, you know? So this next phase of your life is demanding rest. So take rest in advance, okay? Take rest like it's making you money. Take rest as if you know that a week later you're going on a trip to another country, right? It's like you know you have planned a lot of things, so you will rest before. So that's what I'm hearing for you. Wow. And this excitement, this new excitement that you have found for your life is amazing. Is amazing and is magnetizing everything. I cannot tell you what blessings you are going to attract because it's like so big. It's so big. If I tell you, you'll be like, no, never going to happen. But yes, it will. That's exactly why, like, I don't want you to act up after listening to all of these things, but it's like it's very, very much like family energy, very much found family energy. It's like feeling so satisfied in your life when you have right people around you, and just randomly you feel like, wow, how did I even attract these people? How did these people even find me? How did I am in this energy right now where there is so much abundance flowing. It's like it's money, it's wealth, not just money, it's wealth. And it's also like so much love that you would think that it's fake. You would literally be in the moment and you'd feel like this is not real, like this is fake, like this person cannot be this nice to me, because you're not used to it. I mean, you are used to it, you have had nice people before, but you have also had a lot of heartbreak before as well in your past, right? You would literally think that, oh, this is fake, there's no way this is real, there has to be a catch. And you'd be looking for a catch as well. It's like, oh, something will happen, I know that nothing can be this perfect. But yes, it is. It is perfect. And you'll be like, why are these people showing up at the right time? It's like I didn't even ask for help and they are giving me help without even me asking for it. Like, why is this happening? How is this happening? It's so magical. That's how, that is your next phase of life. And even this phase of your life that you're currently in is attracting so many blessings that are going to make you so feel, that are going to make you feel so good in your chest. It's like you would sit and you'd feel like, wow, today was amazing, like unexpectedly amazing. I I felt so good. Whether you are all by yourself, whether you hang out with someone, whether you're just at home and do nothing, still you'd feel like this. Like today was amazing. Like this day was great. Like one of the best days of my life, right? Because little things are something that you really, really, what's the word for it? Little things are something that we really appreciate. Yes, You don't need big things to happen in your life to feel happy about it. It's like you finally understand that your life is yours. Your life is not another entity. Your life is not separate from you. So you cannot feel disappointment towards your life. You know what I mean? You can't be disappointed towards something that is a part of you, because your life is under your control. You're finally realizing that, especially like since last few weeks. I feel like last few weeks you have been feeling very up and down. It's like there were some high moments, there were some low moments, and you were like, oh, I'm happy, sometimes I'm sad. Like, it happened. But you finally found the middle ground. And this week you're going to find so many answers to your questions. It's clarity would come through in the most unexpected ways. You would just see it and you'd feel like, whoa, okay, I get it now. Okay, I get it now. I'm feeling the energy of clarity, answers. I'm feeling the energy of like understanding, finally getting something that you have been like feeling like, I don't get this. What is this? Why is this not working? And then you feel like, oh wow, well, this is amazing. Like this was easier than I thought. That's the energy. I know some of you are not believing in this. Some of you still feel like, oh, this is fake. This is, oh, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. When I say things, it happens because I'm not saying it. I'm not saying it. I'm just a medium. Your guides are speaking to you through me. Your guides are saying this, and it's such a beautiful energy. Wow. I don't think there are any words to describe this energy. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Let's see if there's something more coming through for you. If you're new here, I do a morning healing prayer for every single person who is a part of this community. So if you want to become a part of this healing prayer, do subscribe. And don't be surprised if you start feeling like your heart is open and your mind becomes relaxed and things just appear in your life easily, right? You'd start seeing that. So don't be surprised. It's happening because of the prayer and also because of your self growth as well. Okay. Ooh, okay. Comment down below that what can you write? What are the right words for this? I'm open to this happiness. Yeah, it's like that. It's like I'm open to this happiness. I'm open to this happiness. And also like it's little snapshot of moments. It's kind of like, you know how you see on Instagram or TikTok, you see those point 0.5 second uh, clips here and there. That's the type of happiness you're going to feel. It's like a little boost of happiness where you'd feel like, oh wow, as if someone just like threw some water on you, but in a good way, and you feel so cool suddenly. It's that type of energy. Hard to explain, but it's that type of energy over here. Yeah. Whew. I do have private reading options, private rituals, birth chart reading. Everything is available down below. Yes or no tarot readings. Everything is available down below. Okay. I love you so much. I love you so much. And I'm so proud of you. I know people are going to call you lucky after this, but only you know that you have gone through so many seasons in life. You have gone through so many phases in life to arrive at this point. And people would just say, oh, like they are so lucky. She's so lucky. He's so lucky. But you know the amount of work that you have done on yourself to become this person that you are, to be in this phase of life that you are. And I'm so proud of you. I'm immensely proud of you. I'm sending you a giant hug because you deserve it, and a forehead kiss. You deserve this love. You deserve this happiness, this joy, this excitement. I will see you in another reading very soon.